Have you ever stopped to think about what happens to your food after you swallow it? It's a fascinating journey, a bit like a factory line, really, where your body breaks down food into tiny particles it can use for energy, growth, and repair. This intricate process is called digestion, and it's happening inside you right now. The digestive system is like a long, winding tube that starts at your mouth and ends at your anus. Along the way, it passes through several specialized organs, each with a specific job to do. It's a team effort, with each organ playing a crucial role in turning your food into fuel. Think of your favorite meal. Imagine the flavors, the textures, the aromas. Now let's embark on a journey together, following a mouthful of that delicious food as it makes its way through your digestive system. Get ready for a wild ride through the digestive tract, where we'll uncover the secrets of how your body turns food into fuel. Our journey begins in the mouth, the gateway to the digestive system. Here, digestion begins even before you take your first bite. Just the sight or smell of food can trigger your salivary glands to produce saliva, a watery fluid that moistens food and contains enzymes that start breaking down starches. As you bite into your food, your teeth get to work, cutting and grinding it into smaller pieces. This mechanical digestion increases the surface area of the food, making it easier for digestive enzymes to do their job. Your tongue helps out by moving the food around in your mouth, mixing it with saliva and forming it into a soft, moist ball called a bolus. The tongue also plays a crucial role in taste. Taste buds on your tongue detect different flavors: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, sending signals to your brain to help you perceive the flavors of your food. Once the food is well chewed and mixed with saliva, your tongue pushes the bolus to the back of your mouth, ready for the next stage of its journey. As the bolus reaches the back of your throat, it enters a region called the pharynx. The pharynx is a common passageway for both food and air. To prevent food from going down the wrong pipe and into your windpipe, a flap of tissue called the epiglottis acts like a trapdoor. When you swallow, the epiglottis covers the opening of your windpipe, ensuring that the bolus slides down the esophagus, the muscular tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. The esophagus is about 10 inches long and lined with smooth muscle that contracts in a wave-like motion called peristalsis. Peristalsis propels the bolus down the esophagus and into the stomach. It's like squeezing toothpaste out of a tube. The rhythmic contractions of the esophageal muscles push the food along its way. This process happens whether you're standing on your head or lying down, thanks to the magic of peristalsis. Next stop, the stomach, where the real digestive action begins. Imagine a J-shaped muscular sac that can expand like a balloon. That's your stomach. The next stop on our digestive adventure. The stomach acts as a temporary storage tank for food, holding it for a few hours while it churns and mixes it with digestive juices. The stomach walls are lined with millions of tiny glands that secrete gastric juice, a powerful cocktail of enzymes, hydrochloric acid, and mucus. The enzymes in gastric juice break down proteins into smaller molecules called peptides. Hydrochloric acid kills harmful bacteria that may be present in your food and creates the acidic environment necessary for the enzymes to work. The mucus protects the stomach lining from the corrosive effects of the acid. Think of it as the stomach's protective shield. The churning action of the stomach muscles, combined with the digestive juices, transforms the bolus into a thick, soupy mixture called chyme. The chyme is then released in small squirts through a valve called the pyloric sphincter into the small intestine, the next stage of its digestive journey. Section 5. The small intestine's nutrient extraction. The small intestine is the longest part of the digestive system, measuring about 20 feet long. It's a coiled, tube-like structure where most of the digestion and absorption of nutrients takes place. Think of it as the body's nutrient extraction factory. As the chyme enters the small intestine, it's greeted by a battery of digestive juices from the pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. The pancreas secretes pancreatic juice, which contains enzymes that further break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The liver produces bile, a greenish-yellow fluid that helps break down fats into smaller droplets, making them easier to digest. The gallbladder stores and concentrates bile, releasing it into the small intestine when needed. The small intestine is lined with millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi, which increase the surface area for absorption. The villi absorb the nutrients from the digested food into the bloodstream, where they're transported to the body's cells to be used for energy, growth, and repair. Section 6: Liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. The digestive helpers. While not directly part of the digestive tract, the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas play crucial supporting roles in digestion. These organs are like the unsung heroes of the digestive system, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure smooth operation. The liver, the largest internal organ in the body, performs over 500 vital functions, including filtering toxins from the blood, producing bile, and storing glucose for energy. Think of it as the body's multitasking powerhouse. The gallbladder, a small pear-shaped sac located under the liver, acts as a storage depot for bile. When you eat a fatty meal, the gallbladder contracts, releasing bile into the small intestine to help break down the fats. The pancreas, located behind the stomach, produces pancreatic juice, a cocktail of enzymes that break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. It also secretes hormones such as insulin that regulate blood sugar levels. Together, these three organs ensure that digestion proceeds smoothly and efficiently, providing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Section 7: The large intestine's waterworks. After the nutrients have been absorbed in the small intestine, the remaining indigestible food matter, along with water and electrolytes, passes into the large intestine, the final stage of our digestive journey. The large intestine, also known as the colon, is about 5 feet long and wider in diameter than the small intestine. Its primary function is to absorb water and electrolytes from the indigestible food matter, solidifying it into waste products called feces. As the feces move through the colon, bacteria that live in the gut ferment any remaining carbohydrates, producing gases such as methane and carbon dioxide, which contribute to flatulence. The large intestine also plays a role in immunity, housing trillions of beneficial bacteria that help keep harmful bacteria in check. These gut bacteria, known as the gut microbiota, play a crucial role in overall health and well-being. Section 8: Waste disposal, the final chapter. After its journey through the large intestine, the remaining waste material, now in the form of feces, is stored in the rectum, the final portion of the large intestine. When the rectum is full, it sends signals to the brain, triggering the urge to defecate. Defecation, the act of expelling feces from the body, occurs through the anus, the muscular opening at the end of the digestive tract. Regular bowel movements are essential for maintaining digestive health and preventing constipation. The frequency of bowel movements varies from person to person, but it's generally considered healthy to have a bowel movement anywhere from 3 times a day to 3 times a week. Section 9: Digestion and you a lifelong partnership. Congratulations. You've completed the incredible journey through your digestive system. From the moment you take a bite of food to the elimination of waste, your digestive system works tirelessly to break down food into nutrients your body can use. Digestion is essential for life, providing your body with the building blocks it needs for energy, growth, and repair. Taking care of your digestive health is crucial for overall well-being. Eating a healthy diet rich in fiber, staying hydrated, managing stress, and getting regular exercise can all contribute to a happy and healthy digestive system. Remember, your digestive system is a marvel of engineering, a complex and efficient system that works tirelessly to keep you alive and thriving. So the next time you sit down to a meal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey your food is about to embark on.